In a land filled with warm breezes and golden sands of Balochistan, Ibrahim and Molk lived a life full of love, kindness, and peace. Every day was filled with laughter and joy, and everyone knew that these two souls were made for each other. But fate can be unexpected and merciless. One day, Ibrahim suddenly passed away, leaving Molk alone, drowning in sorrow and longing. Years went by, and the pain of loss still throbbed in Molk's heart until her father, following the customs of the Baloch people, decided to bring her back to life and ensure the care of her child. The parents of her decided that after 1 year, they would marry Molk to a man named Shamorad, so that children would not be left without a guardian. Molk and Shamorad lived together for many years and had 3 more children: Maryam, Zainab, and Bahadur. Life became calm again, filled with excitement and warmth, but the shadow of fate still weighed heavily on this family heart. One summer day, Bahadur, the brave young boy, went to the sea to swim and never returned. People searched everywhere, but no trace of him was found. The merciless sea had swallowed Molk's son, leaving her heart wounded once again. Molk, despite her deep sorrow, stayed strong for Dadola, Shahi, Maryam, and Zainab, because life had to go on despite all its hardships. More videos? Just subscribe.